Hi gang, welcome back. Ben here at Planks, and I've just got a few tips for you today about what to do when you're measuring your project. So, you found yourself on the Planks website and you would like to buy yourself a nice bit of oak to fill that gap that you've had. And all you're going to do, take your tape measure and you're going to measure from one end of the wall to the other. So let's say that this is 100 centimeters, or as it will ask you to input on the website, 1000 millimeters. Now there's a couple of other dimensions that we will need. Again, assuming that this is an alcove and that this distance from here to here is 30 centimeters or 300 millimeters. So this is your length and this would be your width. And the final measurement you would need to make or think about is this. How thick? Let's say you want a nice thick shelf of 30 mil or 3 centimeters. And that's it. Easy. Tip number one, measure twice, cut once. When I'm wanting to take a measurement, got to check my tape twice. Let's assume for a moment that I'm measuring 300 mil or 30 centimeters. I'm measuring it, taking away, going back, and I'm measuring again. 300 millimeters. That's what I want. So I'm just double checking. Point number two, we cut to exact dimensions here at Planks. So just bear that in mind if you end up cutting your own project once you've purchased from us. You will get exactly what you've ordered on the website. And if you cut it yourself, just bear in mind that you would want to have a little bit extra there instead of your finished dimensions. And that brings us nicely to my third tip, which is saw blade width. Remember that if you are cutting your material to include the dimension of your saw blade, this is normally about 3 to 4 millimeters. Finally, just to reiterate, measure twice, cut once. And I say that again because I'd like to reiterate that here we work in millimeters. So if you're placing an order with us, do try to make sure that you've ordered in millimeters and not centimeters.